Hi everyone, it's Tuesday Singapore time today. I would like to do an update on my weekly trade analysis video that I posted on last Sunday. Um, the three pairs that I'm talking about in my first video is basically USDJPY, Euro dollars, and the Aussie dollars. So I start with USDJPY. So basically in my previous video, I already mentioned that USDJPY I'm looking to shorts. Okay, the reason is because this uptrend has been broken and the price actually did pull back to this level, but unable to close above. So it's showing some selling momentum in this scenario. The area that I am suggesting to looking at is basically the EMA dynamic resistance and the previous high resistance, but it seems like the price is still hanging here. We don't have any opportunity. uh, but I have another thinking is like let's say in the coming days there is any bearish bar, okay, bearish bar to form here, then we might we might actually look at the 4 hour and 1 hour chart to actually find is there any short opportunities. Okay, this is my thinkings. Okay, I would like to share with you. So we move on to euro sorry okay next will be euro dollars. Okay, bit lag for my computer. Okay, euro dollars in my previous video, basically I'm talking about I'm looking to actually long, but as we can see we don't really have a good bullish bar to actually support this long. Last week actually my analysis did mention this area, and it seems like the price is hanging here for 2 days. On Monday, this is the Monday candles. However, we do not have a bullish bar that push up, that show the buying momentum. So after Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we can see today actually the price is keep pushing down. In this scenario, actually I changed my long bias to actually to short. So if let's say this is the short, I mean directions. Now I would like to actually looking at these two area. Okay, okay. The first area will be no doubt this previous high resistance area. The second will be the dynamic, okay, resistance area, and the third one basically is the trend line. So we have few combinations of resistance area. If we actually extended these trend lines, short-term trend line, we can see actually this dynamic line, EMA line, is actually crossing, going to meet up with the uh, broken of the uptrend line. So this is actually a quite a strong resistant areas. I'm looking at if the price basically able to actually push back into this area, then definitely I will look for a sell signals. Okay, so to update euro dollar, basically I have changed my bias from long to short. This is an update on the euro dollars. Okay, next one will be Australian uh, Aussie against US dollar. So AUDUSD, basically last week my video is talked about shorts. Okay, and the area that we're looking at is this area. So this is the area that I suggest to look at. Okay, uh, another area basically is this resistant, I mean dynamic resistant areas. uh, but we have to be careful on this area because we have actually see this short-term momentum up. So this is actually a higher high higher low patterns. Okay, even though this is a premature so-called premature setup, but we still need to actually trade carefully with these patterns. Okay, uh, at this setup, basically any bearish signals that I got, I wouldn't enter into a trade. Okay, unless I see a new downtrend pattern, okay, like this, then only I will consider a trade. Okay, otherwise I will wait for the price to actually hit this resistance and see how's the price action is doing. So this is the update on Aussie dollars, Aussie AUD USD. The direction no change, basically is still on the downside, but it's just that we will need to actually uh, be careful with the short-term trend, short-term uptrends. So this is the one that I will highlight to you. Then USDJPY also no change. Then Euro dollar, as I say, I changed my long bias actually to short bias. So this is an update for you, and it's my trade idea and trade analysis to share with you. Thanks everyone.